Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest products to help you make informed beauty and wellness choices. Today, we're reviewing the Master Massage 31-inch Santana Therma Top Portable Massage Table Package, an esthetician bed with built-in heating pads. Whether you're a professional massage therapist or an enthusiast creating a home spa, this portable massage table promises comfort, durability, and flexibility for all your needs. Let's see how it stands up in real-world use. The Santana Master Massage Table is designed with comfort and versatility in mind. Measuring 31-inch wide by 84-inch long, it provides ample space for clients while still being compact enough for easy transport. It's built with a 3-inch thick cushion of multi-layer small cell foam with an additional layer of memory foam for extra comfort, making it ideal for long massage sessions. Plus, it's covered with a durable, oil and water-resistant mountain red PU upholstery, which not only looks professional but also resists wear and tear. One of the standout features of this table is its built-in heating pads, which make it a standout choice for those looking to provide a warm, soothing experience. The heating element is integrated into the top of the table, offering a relaxing, spa-like environment that clients will appreciate, especially during cold weather. The adjustable height, ranging from 24 inches to 34 inches, ensures that you can set it to a comfortable working position, whether you're a taller or shorter therapist. I tested this table in my home spa setup, and I can say that the Santana Master Massage Table is incredibly easy to set up. It's lightweight, weighing just 37 pounds, and features double luggage-style clasps for easy folding and transportation. I moved it around with no trouble, and the portability is a big plus for anyone who needs to transport it to different locations. When it comes to comfort, this table truly shines. The combination of memory foam and multi-layer small cell foam offers excellent support while keeping clients comfortable during long sessions. I particularly appreciated the ergonomically designed face cradle and memory foam cushion, which adds to the overall comfort. The armrest shelf is fully padded too, ensuring that clients are supported in all positions. The sturdiness of this table deserves a mention as well. It's constructed with airport-grade steel support cables and European polished beech wood legs that are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly durable. The table has a working capacity of 750 pounds, which is impressive for a portable model. During my testing, it held up well under pressure, and I didn't experience any wobbling or discomfort when adjusting the height. There are some minor cons to consider. The heating pad, while a great feature, could benefit from more temperature settings for greater customization. It's a one heat setting design, which might not suit everyone's preferences. The padding, although thick, could feel a bit firmer for those used to ultra-soft beds, but this is largely a matter of personal preference. In terms of value, the Santana Master Massage Table provides solid quality for its price. The package includes all the necessary accessories: a memory foam face cushion, adjustable face cradle, armrest shelf, and a padded carrying case, making it a complete set for anyone starting their own massage therapy practice or home spa. Given the features, build quality, and included accessories, it's definitely a worthwhile investment for professionals. If you're looking for alternatives in a similar price range, there are other portable massage tables on the market, but few include the same level of durability and heating functionality. The price point is competitive for the quality of the materials used, though some may find comparable models without the heating element at a slightly lower cost. Now for the final verdict. The Santana Master Massage Table is a fantastic option for those who need a durable, portable, and comfortable massage bed with extra features like built-in heating. It's best suited for massage therapists, estheticians, or even those who want to create a professional-level spa experience at home. If you prioritize comfort, ease of transport, and quality, this table is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.